My name is Cody Hilsky, and in my short film, Where Passion Meets the Green, we have Brandon Cobbs. He's a confident golfer, and he believes that he's got the game all figured out. But his attitude changes when he meets Matt Shipman, a less experienced but determined player. Now after that, Matt challenges Brandon to a bet. If Matt wins, they'll swap gear. Now Brandon thinks this will be an easy win, but the game soon becomes more than just a simple challenge. As they compete, the emotions run high. Brandon becomes too focused on winning. Their friend Preston Bart, he steps in to offer him some advice. He reminds Brandon that golf, like life, is just about winning, and it's learning, growing, and accepting help from others. With Preston's encouragement, Brandon starts to realize there's more to the game than just competition. He begins to understand that the importance of being humble, listening to advice, and building friendships is important too. And by the end of the match, Brandon not only gains a new respect for Matt, but he also learns to appreciate the deeper lessons that golf can teach. The story shows how personal growth and friendship can come from unexpected places, both on and off the course.